Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان فكفارته إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط ما تطعمون أهليكم أو كسوتهم أو تحرير رقبة فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام ذلك كفارة أيمانكم إذا حلفتم واحفظوا أيمانكم كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون. Translation: Allah will not hold you accountable for your unintentional oaths, but He will call you to account for the oaths which you swear as binding on yourself. Then its compensation is to feed 10 needy poor persons with an average food that you normally feed your families, or clothing of them, or liberating a slave. But whoever does not afford nor find, then he has to fast for 3 days. That is the expiation of your oaths when you have sworn, but guard your oaths and care it. Thus Allah makes His verses clear to you so that you may be thankful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not hold us accountable for our unintentional oaths. And unintentional oaths or lagw qasam is an oath that is made without any intention. For example, the Arabs used to say wallahi billahi in their normal speech, and even they say it now, but nobody consider it as a real oath or qasam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not hold accountable for these lagw or unintentional oaths, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will hold us accountable for the oaths which we swear as binding on ourselves. Meaning, if an oath is made with full conscience and thinking about it, now if this oath has to be broken, then one has to pay the compensation or the kafara for it. And this compensation is feeding 10 poor people the average food that we eat in our homes, or giving them the clothes, or freeing a slave. If somebody does not have the capacity to do either of these 3 choices, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a 4th choice for him, that he can fast for 3 consecutive days, and that will be the compensation or kafara for his oath that he broke. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given His commandment that guard your oaths and take care of them. Guarding the oaths include many things, and it includes that nobody should be making the oaths without any need, or just as a habit he is making the oath, so it should not be done. And if somebody has made an oath, then he should try his best to fulfill the oath. But if he has to break the oath, then he has to do the compensation or kafara. All of these things will be included in guarding of one's oath. Now this should be understood that how big a favor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is this on us, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the previous ayahs commanded us that we should not leave those things that are halal and tayyib on us. And if somebody has made an oath that he is not going to use any halal or tayyib thing on himself, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a way to get out of that oath by giving the compensation or kafara. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us guard our oaths. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.